Hi, this is Joe with SoFly, and in this video we're going to show you how to import property listings with the real estate add-ons for WP Import. So for this example, we're going to be using the Realia theme, which you can see here, and all I've really done is change the header up here and then set the default map area to Santa Cruz, which is where most of our properties are located. And you can see there are no properties currently imported. So let's go ahead and take care of that. We're going to upload our import file here and select properties from the pull-down list. And continue to step 2. And it looks like our import file has come in okay, so we'll continue to step 3 and set up our import. We'll start by dragging in the title and the description and verify that they've come in okay. Everything looks good. And here is the Realia add-on. So you can notice that the default images section is gone and it's been replaced with property images. And we have a new section here called Realia add-on. So I'll go ahead and open that up. And you'll notice that all of the fields are coming in plain English. And we have an area here for the property map location. So let's start with the price and the price suffix. And we'll just go ahead and fill in the rest of these simple fields. So for the landlord, agencies, and agents, those are actually stored in the theme over here. So we have landlords and agents and agencies, and we can add new ones, and we can see all the agencies that we have. We currently don't have any. We don't have any agencies, agents, or landlords in the WordPress site already. And so what WP Import is going to do is it's going to look for existing landlords, agencies, and agents, and if it doesn't find any, it's going to create new ones. The real estate add-ons will also support different images that your themes might use. And it will also take care of your property address location. Now the property map for Realia, it actually uses coordinates, but your data might not have coordinates. You might just have the address for your property. So what you can do is you can just put the address in here, and then WP Import will use the Google Maps API and it will get the coordinates for you. There's a couple different ways that you can use the Google Maps API. You can use it without an API key like I've done here, or you can send it for the Google Developers Program and get an API through them, which will give you 2,500 requests per day and 5 requests per second. And if you need more than that, you can purchase a Google for Work account, which will get you 100,000 requests per day and 10 per second. But for us, we're just going to keep it with no API key. If I had the coordinates, I would enter them down here. But again, we're just going to use the address for this example. And in here we have some advanced settings. And I'm just going to go ahead and specify my property ID and a couple other fields that we happen to have in here. And we'll go ahead and load in our property images. And they work like a regular image import would. We'll go ahead and set the first image to the featured image. And now we'll take care of our categories. Now this particular theme stores contract types, property types, locations, and amenities as taxonomies. So we'll go ahead and import them here. Now each property has just one contract type. It has just one property type. But property location is stored hierarchically. And an element in my file contains the entire hierarchy, which is right here. And each property has multiple amenities. And that's it. So let's continue to step 4, where we're going to auto-detect our unique identifier. And then we'll go ahead and confirm and run the import. And it looks like the import is complete. So let's go ahead and refresh the front page and see if everything came in okay. And everything looks good. And you can see that all the locations came in and the filters work. And we have all our properties in here with the featured images. The agents came in properly. Featured images are working. Everything looks good. So it's that easy to import property listings with the real estate add-ons for WP Import.